Hey everyone, Tony Ambler from NASM here, and we're going to be reviewing a stability ball bridge loaded with a dumbbell. And typically when you look at the NASM exercise library and materials, the bridge is typically demonstrated as a body weight exercise, and then progressions from the bridge are more in line with the stabilization level of the OPT model, where you start altering the base of support, either by alternating legs, marching the legs, performing a single leg bridge. But a great variation of the bridge exercise is loading it externally with a dumbbell or other form of resistance to enhance the strength and activation of the glutes. The setup for the loaded stability ball bridge is the same as the traditional stability ball bridge. So we're going to have the head and shoulders supported on the stability ball. The only difference is the client's going to be placing a dumbbell or other form of external resistance directly on the hips while they do the exercise. You want to choose a load that's challenging to them and that allows them to fatigue throughout the repetition range that you want them to perform. So don't be afraid to load this up a little bit, as long as your clients can maintain proper form and alignment and complete the number of repetitions that they're supposed to during the set. As mentioned before, we want the head and shoulders completely supported by the ball. We want the feet about hip to armpit width apart with the toes pointed straight ahead. Dumbbells are going to be, or the external load is going to be placed directly on the pelvis, right where those two ASIS bones are located. If it gets a little uncomfortable, the client can put their fingers underneath the dumbbell to provide a little bit of a cushion for the exercise. From the top position, want to make sure that the abs are drawn in and that the glutes are activated. And from here, they're just going to lower their hips toward the floor while maintaining a nice neutral lumbar spine. And then from the bottom, they're going to drive straight up, squeezing the glutes in the process. They can hold at the top for 1 to 2 seconds and then slowly lower back down, repeating for the recommended number of repetitions. Another critical piece here is the neck position. Make sure that they're maintaining slight retraction of the chin and neck into the stability ball to maintain good cervical stability throughout the exercise. That will also enhance the core activation as well. So again, hips lowered towards the floor, keeping the low back in a nice neutral position, and then you drive them straight up to the ceiling while squeezing the glutes.